Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a ponytail, then we are going to twist it and applying this pin on the one side of it. After that we are going to take the remaining hair, applying a rubber band on them. Then we are going to fold them into this bun by using a bobby pin and it is completed. Next to our ponytail, we are going to loosen it up and then underneath it we are going to apply this lavender pin. After that we are going to take all of the remaining hair in our ponytail and folding it out by using this black pin. Next we are going to make a low ponytail, then applying a rubber band at the bottom of it, then fold it out in outwards direction and applying this pin. Next to our ponytail, we are going to apply a rubber band at the bottom of it, navy blue pin for securing the bun. Next we are taking a pony and then underneath it we are going to use this beautiful heavy pin and then taking all of the remaining hair and folding it into a bun. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides and then joining it with rubber band. Then we are going to fold it once. After that applying a rubber band to our low ponytail at the bottom and then we are going to fold it out in the outwards direction and using this bobby pin we are going to convert it into a bun.